Jay saying race everything. I'm back at the slot car track again.
That's why they call me Mr. Slot Car.
Yeah,
I didn't.
Right there,
Yeah, I didn't come up with that. Oh,
You know I'm here, back in my routine again, meeting a few interesting people. This Bill right here, he builds slot cars out of just about anything
What
with
about that
wheels.
Lamborghini?
yeah, it's real fast.
That Lamborghini is really
It
fast.
does 10-10. It's the fastest snow bar in existence.
Whoa.
Yes,
That's the fastest
snow bar.
That's the fastest car in slot cars.
No bar.
It's no bar.
No bar.
So they have different classes, bro.
Yeah, and they
This is a car with the bar. See, it's like a rear extension. It's used for keeping the car on the ground. Without it, you probably need more weight in the front end.
and nobody wanted to do it anymore because of that. Because it was the fastest anybody else could come close was 1150 or something like that. So I mean, I was way ahead of that.
Wow.
But yeah, back to the reason for being here today. I'm back with my buddy Tom. Of course, he has to show off some of his prized possessions. Man, it's amazing how they have these cars looking.
These chassis right here work.
So these are two different chassis right here?
Yeah. This is a 103 HD and this is a 103 SN.
Okay.
Your hinge right back here
Okay.
for your flex.
Yeah.
You can bring it back here and put your hinge back here.
Okay.
With this one, you're gonna have to build little more of a box
Okay.
along the top of this right here. So come up here, come across, and then come across here.
Okay.
And that right there is not connected. So when you cut it there, and there, that whole piece will fall out. Get these across here. You may have to put a little something back here to keep it from bouncing so far.
Man, we going over piece by piece to build this ride. I started getting a bit overwhelmed with so much info being dropped on me.
You want it like that?
Yep, the Hawk 7s. They run all the way across here. This is a retro, but the Hawk 7s are the Hawk 7 barrel bearing. It's $17 for the ball bearing or $15 for the one without ball bearings.
What is the Hawk 9? Is that like the...
That's just, it's a real torquey motor,
Okay.
but it's not managed.
Okay.
That's when you gotta put a lot of glue on.
Okay. Okay. Hey, let's go with the Hawk 7. There we go.
And then a 1552 gear.
Okay.
That's what I run on all my stuff.
Okay.
You already know I'm going to see about the biggest motor first. He needs something running, but I'm going off of what my guy Tom is doing for right now. Checked out a few races, some nice rides. Look how that tire bottom lit blue on that hot rod. Made a few rounds, talking and steady soaking up some of this game in the slot cars.
Yeah, so he trying to get that right. That's the first thing he did, walk through the box right.
Yeah.
Name Michelle, what about that one? That's the only one I like.
Yeah, that clean. Like you got the engine right there
Oh,
in the
yeah,
front. You
yeah,
don't really
yeah,
see that in the
yeah.
front like that. Yeah.
This thing heavy too, Phil.
Get on down 15.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I like that. How everything set up on it. Clean. Oh, yeah.
I just found out that most of these guys have over 300 plus cars, man. This is proof that this may be highly addictive. Duster versus a Chevy wagon is the kind of race most people would pay to see. There are so many things to learn about this. Maybe one of the things that you would never stop learning from.
Okay.
You don't have to have this soldering station,
Don't have to have that.
but I have it because you can turn it on and you can turn it down where it's not real hot, and then you can turn it up when you're ready for it. You can have it ready. You
Okay.
can have it a little bottle of flux, which that's what they have that up. I'm putting the wires on the motor. I usually use a rosin core, which is a 60/40.
Okay. Man, it's a lot to this thing, man.
Where you make these little joints right there. You put that little piece right there on that right there.
Okay.
There ain't a whole lot right there to hold it.
Yeah, it's not.
So you want it to be strong.
Yeah.
And back here, there's not a whole lot holding none of this back here. It's just about that far.
Yeah.
Solder.
Yeah.
And you want it to be like that.
Yeah.
You want it to be strong.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you don't want it to start to take off.
Next time you'll see my car completely built and ready to hit the track. I have a list of tools I need, and this is not as easy as I thought for an amateur build. But I'm taking on the challenge to build some of the fastest cars in the game.
Chevy grill.
I'm Brandon J. Sane. This is J. Sane Race Everything. I'll see you at the finish line.